Take a ride in the 2020 XC90. The Volvo XC90 provides refined luxury with unrestricted pleasure on the side. Experience the Volvo XC90 from the inside out and see why you'll want to take everyone on tour. And is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, fog lights, power moonroof, four-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.